class, welcome to your Tuesday language arts lesson. It's our phonics and grammar lesson. So today you will need your spelling notebook. Now it's your LA spelling and vocabulary notebook, but we're just going to use it for spelling today. You need a pencil as always and your LA workbook. If you'd like to use a highlighter, you can. If you like highlighting special or important notes in your workbook, might be a good thing to do. Okay, phonics final E is what we're going to study today, and I have a fun homework lesson. Subject and predicate is our grammar lesson. We're going to do some workbook practice, and then I'll go over that fun homework assignment. Okay, pause your video if you don't have any of these things, and let's get started. All right, of course, we have our warm-up first. Now, Tong Tong is in Jeju this week. He thought it would be a good idea to go to the beach in Jeju. So he is relaxing, ready to warm up. Remember, the warm-up is when we are warming up our brains. We're doing a practice together before we do the lesson so we can focus on grammar and phonics. So please go to grammar, page 13. I'm going to go over your instructions, so listen carefully. Correct each fragment, remember it's not a complete sentence, by adding a subject from the box. Then write the sentence correctly. Now, if you don't know what to do, then you should read this box up here carefully. And then after you read this box up here, you can start doing the bottom part. Do your best, pause your video now, and come back when you're finished to check your work. Okay, are you ready to check? Now, what is much bigger or larger, synonym, than a town? A city. A city is much larger than a town. Number 2, people may take subways, trains, or buses to work. Now, if you missed one, pause the video, erase your answer, and fix it. Number 3, a subway is a train that goes underground. That's what sub means, sub. Like submarine. Skyscrapers are tall buildings. That's number 4, because they're scraping the sky. Number 5, a park is a great place for families to have a picnic. Okay, pause the video and check your work. Fix any mistakes. Good job if you didn't miss any. Okay, now I have a final E video ready for you. Let's watch that. Okay, what we're going to do now is practice final E. But before we practice final E, let's read these words. Now, remember, I want you to practice the short vowel sound, and then we'll practice final E. So if this is the short vowel sound, how do you say this word? Can you say it now? If you said fad, you are correct. Remember, short vowel. Try this one. Us. That's an easy one. How about this? When. Very good. I. These are all short. I. That's kind of fun to say. I. Fad. Us. When. Tap. That's correct. This one, cop. Remember, short O sounds like aw. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this special little piece of paper and we're going to put an E at the end of these words, and all of a sudden, the words are going to change. When you add an E to the end, this vowel sound becomes long. So now it's not fad, it's fade. Do you hear how the A sound changed? Listen again. Fad, fade. Us, use. You try this one. If it's short vowel, it is when. What about when this is a long vowel? Wine. Can you read it? Tape. App, ape. How about this one? Cape. Good. Cap, cape. And the last one, cop, cope. This just changes to O, so it is cope. All right. Now I want you to practice all by yourself. You are going to read this out loud right now, and then I'll read it after you, and you have to listen carefully and see if you got it right. Okay? Go. Okay, now listen carefully to the way these words are pronounced. Dim, can, pin, pop, rod, hop. Okay, now it's your turn again. We're going to add this final, oh my goodness. We're going to add the final E, and you try the words by yourself the first time. Are you ready? Yeah, yeah. Ready, go. Oh. A lot of long O sounds. Okay, listen carefully. Dime. Remember, this is long I. Cane. Pine. Pope. Road. Hope. Okay. Now, we will practice more with these. I'll try to come up with a homework assignment where maybe I can listen to you read some. All right, we're done. Thanks for listening. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, now that we've learned our phonics lesson, let's go on to grammar. A sentence expresses a complete thought. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. If one's missing, it's a fragment. So here's a cute little picture I thought would help you understand. Think of the green one as subject and the blue one is predicate. They have to go together to make one sentence. Subject, predicate, sentence. Say it with me. Ready? Go. Subject, predicate, sentence. Okay. A subject tells what or whom the sentence is about. A big dog visited our school. What visited the school? A dog. A dog is the subject. That's what the sentence is about. Now, the predicate, which is the blue puzzle piece, so this is the green puzzle piece. Now, this is the blue one. A predicate identifies what the subject does or is. So, a big dog visited our school. The predicate is visited. Dog visited. The dog visited. Now, if we look at the complete subject, It's everything, all the words in a subject, which is a big dog. So if I said a small, white, cute dog, the simple subject is just dog. But the whole subject is a small, white, cute dog. So it's all the things that go together with the subject. So subject, predicate. A subject tells what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells what that thing is doing. So I found another funny video for you. So this big dog visited an ice cream shop, and he is eating some delicious ice cream. Okay, now let's practice subjects and predicates. Please go to grammar, page 11. Read carefully in the box above your instructions. It talks about subject and predicate and complete subject. Now, when you're finished, come back here and check your work. You're doing page 11 and page 15. You're not doing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No. 11 and 15. So, page 15, you're doing a complete subject, and then you're choosing a subject from the box. Okay, get started. Come back here to check your work. All right, this is page 11. What or whom is each sentence about? Draw a line under the complete subject. Well, do you notice a pattern? All of these subjects are at the beginning. Most times, a subject is at the beginning of a sentence. The pet store, people, the goldfish, furry rabbits, a long snake, pet supplies, the owner, a little boy, the brown puppy, a family. I have a question. Look at number 9, the brown puppy. What is the simplest subject? Only one word. Puppy. Very good. It's puppy. The whole subject is the brown puppy, but the simple subject is just puppy. Okay. Please pause your video if you need to fix your work. All right, let's look at page 15. I'm going to check the top part first. The complete subject for number 1 is the sun. Number 2, our earth. Number 3, people and animals is the complete subject. Number 4, plants. And number 5, all living things. Pause your video if you made mistakes and fix your work now. Okay, here's the bottom part of page 15. Oranges are a kind of fruit. Other good fruits are apples, pears, and blueberries. Florida and California are 2 states that grow oranges in America. Okay, so we are practicing subjects. Now, if you missed some, pause it and fix your mistakes now. It's okay to make mistakes. Okay, let's talk about homework. That was our phonics and grammar lesson for today. Your homework tonight is LA Workbook page 12 and page 14. It's all about subjects, complete subjects and compound subjects, which is like number 8, Florida and California is compound. There's 2 subjects. You'll read about that more for homework. Page 14 is all about complete subjects and sentence fragments. So it's everything that we learned today. Okay, now for your phonics homework, we're going to do something a little bit different. So you are going to copy these words into your LA spelling and vocabulary notebook. Then you are going to record yourself reading them, adding final E. So let me show you what that looks like. First, you are going to use your spelling and vocabulary notebook, get a blue pencil and a pink pencil, and make the box around them. So see how this box is blue? Well, it might look black. It's supposed to be blue. Fat, tub, rat, taught, not, hid. But when you read them to me, you will have written the final E, and you're going to tell me how that changes the sound. So let's do the first one together. This is what you need to say when you upload a video. Hello, Mrs. Mathern. Blue box. So I know which box you're reading. Fate. And then you read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, adding final E. Then you say pink box. I don't want to give you the answers. So you will change the sound. Instead of it saying fat, it now says fate because of that final E sound. Do your best. So you are going to read to me the blue box and the pink box for homework on Class Dojo assignments. Now, when you upload a video for me, you need to make sure when the video starts, you say, hello, Mrs. Mathern, and then you record the video. I do not want to see you guys doing goofy things like being silly or sticking out your tongue or something like that. That's not very respectful. I don't think you would do that if you were in class with me. So just because we're online, don't be silly. Take your homework seriously, please. Now, if you have any questions about the homework, watch the video again. And then if you still don't understand, your mom or dad can message me. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. You can pause the video here if you need to copy these words, and make sure when you make your video reading me these 2 boxes, you need to start by saying hello. Don't forget our important greeting. Okay, class, I'm proud of your hard work. I will see you tomorrow for our Bible and LA lesson. Bye.